guys, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. Happy Friday. I'm excited for the weekend. Honestly, every day felt like Friday though, just because hanging out with friends. So it honestly felt like Friday every night, but it's actually Friday now, so I get to enjoy a few more days off. But I'm gonna start talking about work now. So yesterday I basically ended down there, so I finished down to the end. There were some people working down there, so I stopped. So basically I just have to offset from the top down to that bottom low iron beam, and then I rolled back over here and started working this way, and I did the pair hanger again with a 5 or 6 inch drop, and then I started going over to here, and then they have some freshly poured concrete, so we're just gonna wait and work on that on Monday, just so I can roll on the concrete and not have to go back and forth 100 times. So the stuff that we did the rest of the day, me and a coworker, everywhere there's these yellow caution tapes in the ceiling. I'm trying to find it, I can't see it right now. Anyways, there's a ton of these yellow caution tapes, but I honestly can't see them right now. There's one over there. I honestly cannot find it. It's like right there. So that's for the lights. So there's gonna be tons of lights in here. So we went ahead and started working on those. So there's one there, one there, one there. There's just gonna be a row of lights there. And then all over here, I don't know if you can see it, they're blowing in the wind. There's a row there. Rows and rows, so they go sideways. It's basically like a checkerboard, up and down and sideways. So my coworker went around and started screwing in the, I don't know if you can see it, there's little, I don't even remember what they're called. Basically big screws with holes through the end. They're little eye legs or whatever, I don't know. Can't think of the name right now, but maybe they're called Sammys. No, not really. Anyways. They might be called Sammys, but basically they're big screws with holes in the end, and that's for hanging the lights. So he went around hanging those, and then I went around mounting the boxes. So everywhere there's one of those, I mounted a box right there. So basically just hammered on a beam clip, quarter 20 through the box, screwed it down, put a ground screw in the box, and screwed the lid onto the box just so it's ready to go. Then on Monday we're gonna have I guess a bunch more people out here. They're gonna be running MC between boxes, between that box and that box. So there's just gonna be connecting all the lights, bringing the power through from light to light, basically daisy chaining the lights per the plans for the circuits. So that is what will be happening Monday. We'll be working on the boxes still on Monday. Try to get all these boxes up that way, and that way still have like that half, probably like half the building left to go, and then I'll probably continue working on this pipe right here for the outside lights, and then down there there's also, I kind of need to finish the last piece for the lighting circuit, because there's a box that need a box for one of the lights down there for one of these hanging lights. So that basically wraps up my day, guys. I'm gonna head home. Hope you guys have a great weekend. Thanks for stopping by. I'll probably make a video about the new Corvette that just was announced last night soon, so look out for that. Tell you my thoughts about that. Am I gonna get one or am I not? I'm gonna keep my Corvette, I'm gonna sell my Corvette. So be on the lookout for that, guys. I will see you back on Monday. Maybe I can get a video for you guys on the weekend for a Corvette video. Until then, guys, God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. If you want to help me out and enjoy the video, drop me a like and subscribe. I'm trying to rush to 1,000 so I can live stream on my road trip. So I can be interactive with you guys. And anyways, I hope to see you guys back here soon. Thanks for stopping by. I was gonna say something else, but I totally forgot. So I will see you guys later. Thanks, guys. Bye.